she come, Dolce. Pixie, here she come. Here she come, Pixie. Dolce. Here come Mama. Here come Mama from the grocery store. Oh. Bun Bun.
Boo boo. Hi, Pixie. Hi, Dolce.
Told y'all she was here.
What's up?
Hey.
Got us some stuff to make some green juice.
Green juice.
Yeah.
Mmm.
My favorite.
All right.
Do you think we should share the recipe with our friends?
Yes.
I think they like that too.
They're gonna thank me later.
Let's get in the kitchen.
Let's do it.
Hey, it's your girl, your vegan friend, Johanna Earthly Ramos, back with another video. And today, we're gonna make green juice together. So this is the kind of video that you're looking for on a more frequent basis. Be sure to do a few things for me. Like this video, leave a comment below, subscribe to this channel, and share it. Let people know that this is what this channel is all about. And that'll let me know that you'd like for me to do more videos like this. Cool? We got a deal?
Yeah.
Great. Today, we're going to make my favorite juice, which just so happens to be a green juice. So I could say it's my favorite green juice. Is it your favorite green juice?
It's not the first one I go to, but when I do get to it, I'm like, why wasn't this the first one?
Why not?
It's that good.
It's that good,
Yeah.
Yes. We're gonna make my favorite and his favorite once he drinks it, green juice today.
Y'all better thank me for this, okay?
And
You're
the-
welcome.
And the name of it is Vitamin Cake. That's right, C-A-K-E.
And it's not sweet.
Not because it tastes like cake, but because it has all these amazing vitamins right in it.
It's an
okay?
acronym.
I
Gotcha.
love
C
acronyms.
period, A period, K period, E period.
You got it, period. So what you're gonna need to make this juice is a bunch of kale. This is the Placenta or the dinosaur kale. It's my favorite, but you can definitely use curly kale with this recipe as well. Go ahead and get you a bag of celery, a bunch of parsley, a couple of cucumbers depending on the size, a couple of Granny Smith apples, and a couple of lemons. This is actually gonna be enough to make at least 2 batches, and I'm sure we'll have some things left over, but if you buy it this way, you'll have some more to make next time because I promise you're going to love this recipe.
I put that on everything.
On everything? Nice. That makes me so happy. Look, green juice is life, okay? And you're gonna really enjoy this, and even better, your body is going to enjoy this recipe. We gotta rinse our vegetables, y'all. It is super important that you do not skip this step, and I know it might seem kind of self-explanatory and you might be wondering why I'm telling you this, But a lot of times people will think because they're getting organic produce that they don't have to clean it, and especially clean it with more than just water, to clean it with vinegar. Yeah, there's some dirt in here that you can't even see with your naked eye. All right, so you definitely want to fill up your sink with some cool water, at least 1/4 cup of vinegar, depending on how deep your sink is, and let your produce sit for like 5 minutes. All right, get it all clean and ready to go. And then we're gonna rinse it off. It'll be good and ready for us to make our yummy green juice. You're welcome. Y'all see all the debris that has come off in the water just from it sitting for 5 minutes in the vinegar? We do not want that in our green juice. That's why it's so important. Now I'll rinse. We've got all our ingredients. They're all clean. They're all chopped up. So let me tell you how much you're gonna need exactly for one batch of vitamin cake. 4 pieces of kale around this size. I'm gonna have more because some of them are so much smaller. 1, 2, 3, 4 parsleys. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 celery. 4 pieces of apple. And this poor part always messes me up because I cut it too small. 8 pieces of cucumber if you cut it like I did. And at the end, we're gonna add the juice of 1 lemon. So here is your batch. Got it? Now that I have you all set up at home to make your 1 batch, that's not enough in this house. So I'm about to double up on this, at least double up on this. That we have left over can be for another juicing day. It could be for a snack. Let's get juicing. So today we are juicing with one of my best buds, the Greenstar Elite Pro Juicer. If you're looking for a juicer, definitely check this one out, but also watch my video that I will place in the description box down below and also up above, if I remember, for you to watch a comparison of different juicers that I absolutely love. For today, we're going with my bud here.
Are you having fun right now?
Yes, I'm in the lab. I love it. I love to juice for us. I think it's time to strain. We've got our juice all ready. Look at that beautiful green gold we got there. And now we're going to just juice our lemons. Feel free to peel these and drop them in your juicer. This is just a preference of mine. Got my little handy dandy manual juicer here. It catches the seeds and all of that good stuff. Give you a little workout, just a little one. See, I just feel like I did that a lot faster than if I could have peeled all of that off and dropped it in my juicer. Maybe, maybe not, but that's why. One jar for tomorrow and some for right now. You gonna drink some green juice with me, babe? Y'all get y'all's too. Come on, let's toast. Hey, somebody got slighted. Okay. Here you go. Cheers to our health. This is so yummy. You can taste the sodium from the celery. I think that's my favorite part.
It's smooth, man. It's smooth like brandy.
Okay. So why do we love this green juice so much? Well, first of all those vitamins I just told you about, C, A, K, and E, your body wants and needs those vitamins. Immune system booster. Let's just stop right there. You need this. Antioxidants. My hair, my skin, my nails. Same for everyone, same for my husband. It helps that. Green means liver health. We need our livers to be top-notch healthy. So that's why this juice. I will drink it every single day. And I know you're gonna love it. Thanks so much for watching this video today. Thanks for going and grabbing these ingredients and making this juice. Leave me a comment down below that you're gonna make it, and definitely let me know on social media, because surely you're following me on Instagram. Let me know when you make this and tag me so that I can tell the rest of the family that you love it too. Y'all have an amazing day. We'll see you next time. Bye.